Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Allow me to introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Irom from D4 Electrical Power Engineering Class 3B Polytechnic State of Malang. As you can see, my project in this midterm test is Archimedes screw generator for micro hydro power plant. Without further ado, let's move on the next section. In here, I'm going to show you my four main topics about what I am to do with my projects. Those are definition, the ESD, calculation, and community. In the first section, mostly talk about what is that, and then what is power plant, what is hydro power plant, and many more. But we are outlined in here is what is power plant, and also what is hydro power plant. Second section will talk about what is Archimedes screw. Third section, the math, and fourth, how I distribute to people and how do they will use it. Okay, let's go to the first section. So, what is the power plant? A power plant is an industrial facility that generates electricity from primary energy. Most power plants use one or more generators that convert mechanical energy into electrical energy in order to supply power to the electrical grid for society's electrical needs, which mean the electricity came from your house were made in power plant, like a TV, your air conditioner, if you charge your phone or even your laptop. Those electric component will work if there is power source, and the electricity came from the power plant. I'll give you an example. In Indonesia, we have two biggest type of power plant. Those are steam power plants and hydro power plant. Right now, I'm going to talk about hydro power plant. Because why? Because this is my project. So how does it work? How does the hydro power plant work? As you can see here, hydro power plant work because the spinning plate from the turbine causing the generator rotates and generator will produce electricity. Well, the question is how to spin? How to spin this massive big plate of the turbine? Of course, we got help from the hydro power plant. We got help from the water. These water hydro power plants capture the energy of falling water to generate electricity. A turbine converts the kinetic energy of falling water into mechanical energy, then energy convert the mechanical energy from the turbine into electrical energy. Okay, uh, about the hydropower plant, there are four types of hydropower plant in the world right now that currently used in the world. Those are impoundment, diversion, pump storage, and micro hydro. The impoundment power plant frequently used, like the biggest dam in the world. There is Three Gorges Dam that located in China, where the biggest dam in the world using the impoundment type of hydropower plant. Well, of course, my project didn't use that kind of type because no way I'm going to build and big. We need a dam, and of course, it costs a lot of money. So I'll using the hydro type. I'll using the micro hydro type. But in what turbine is, so I'm using the EST. So what is EST and what does it have to do with micro hydro? So let's go to the section 2. AST, Archimedes screw turbines, are a new form of small hydroelectric power that can be applied even in low heat site. ASTs offer a clean and renewable source of energy and are safer to wildlife and especially fish than other hydro generation options. As with the energy solution, ESTs are not global solution for all situations. However, in terms of sustainable development, EST can offer many economic, social, and environmental advances that make them an important option for providing sustainable hydropower development. Archimedes screw can operate in low water height, less than about 5 meters, and range low flow rate with practical efficiency of 80% to 90% and can generate up to 255 kilowatt of power. So, hydro, micro hydro electrical power plant is easier way to build. That's why I'm using the SD. Why I'm not using a Kavlan or that type of turbine? It's hard and it costs a lot of money. So why I am using AST as my project? Here's why. First is ASTs are one of the environmental friendly turbines. Being reservoir or damless, there is no chance of the flash flood near the site. Thus, the installation of an AST will not affect the surrounding. Second is the safe passage of different aquatic animals, especially fish, and debris make the AST even more versatile. Third, it can be easily set up in a small canal, pond, and rivers, etc., as the head requirement is not much, 1 meter to 10 meter. Fourth, the maximum turbine efficiency of an EST is up to 92% with a flow rate of 0.2 until 0.8 milli per second with a head from 0.8 to 10 meters. Before I'm continuing, why I am using hydropower electric for my project? Because where I live, they have many streams. That's the point. I'm going to tell you in a section 4. Right now, I'm going to tell you in the section 3, which is the most hated section in engineering student. Yep, calculation and math. Well, good for you then. I'm gonna explain you the easy way or my way to explain it. As you can see here, those are the how to calculate power using generator in a hydropower plant. The power is equals efficiency times height times density of the water and then times the flow rate of the water. That and then also the gravity in the earth, that is 10 meters per second. So as you can see here, to calculate, I mean, to get very high power energy, the head should be increased up to substantial height by making a dam. But such a task difficult to achieve, takes longer time and a lot of money is to be invested. Thus the hydropower plant should be reservoirless or very low head. This could be achieved by the power section of the turbine, depending on the site located. The Archimedes screw turbine EST can be used in such low head sites. See, easy right? In this table, it tells you about the higher the flow rate and the higher the head, the height is equals to the height that power they will generate. So let's go to the section 4 about community. In this section, I'm going to talk about community. Okay, let's continue about why I'm using this project as my title, because in my countryside there are many streams, many waterfall, many pond, and many lake. Why I'm not using a solar light or why I'm not using wind? Firstly, if I'm going to using a sunlight in here, the first thing is it's not cheap, and if I'm going to use sunlight, we have too many trees in here, and it will block the sun, and of course, the solar panel will not going work in 100%. Second thing is why I'm not using a wind power plant. My place is not windy enough. That's why. That's why I'm using hydropower plant because too many lake and streams. Okay. Right now I'm going to show you where I live. As you can see here, there are the blue line tells you about how many lakes and how many river in here. That's why I'm using this as my project. So how will people use it? Well, it's easy actually. You just put the IST in the river and then connect it in the generators, and you can generate with the connected to the lighting in your streets, and that's on. That's all. So I think that's all about my project. I hope that you understand, and especially for Mr. Eric, I hope you understand my project. And not furthermore, I said Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and see ya in the next project. Thank you.